If it is possible to add your friends that you encounter while your gameplay in Roblox. So if you encounter someone while playing a game and you want to play another sessions with them, but you don't remember the username, or you were not able to add them during the game, we're gonna see if it is possible to add them after you've finished the game. So first of all, I'm gonna say it right away that there is currently no such features that allows you to add your friends after you've completed the game. And remembering their username with all of the numbers and letters can be quite daunting, so I don't think that's a possibility as well. So currently there is no option on Roblox for you to add the players that you encounter in game if you didn't add them while playing the game. So what you can do is add them during the game if you want to play with them together afterwards. So just tap on their name and add them to your friend list while playing the game, because that is the only possible option to add players you encounter to your friend list. I hope you found this information helpful, and if that such features arrives in Roblox, we'll make sure to inform you. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notifications. And that's it for today. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.